Good morning, respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends. I am the sun, a hot ball of glowing gases. I am the most biggest star at the center of the solar system. There are billions of stars in the galaxy. I will also be the most special stars. I take the 230 million years to rotate one rotate orbit around the solar system. And the moon,